All right, so for question number 1 here, the best test for determining whether an unknown compound is ionic or molecular would be to test what? Conductivity. All right, if something has a pH of less than 7, it is an acid. Yep. All right, number 3. You add a sample of an unknown compound to water and the solution turns blue. What metal does this compound contain? Copper. All right, names of these compounds here. All right, this is an ionic compound because it's got a metal in it, okay, and a polyatomic ion. The metal is calcium, the polyatomic ion is nitrate. Calcium, nitrate. No capitals. Okay, 1 mark for that. Sorry, they're all 1 mark. Question number 5. I've got 2 non-metals together, silicone and oxygen. So this will be, disilicone, because there's 2 of them. Trioxide. 1 mark for that. No capitals. Number 6, I've got an ionic compound. Lead is a metal. Oxygen is a non-metal. Lead has more than 1 possible charge, so the name is going to require a Roman numeral. So I'll write it out without the Roman numeral for right now. It's going to be lead something oxide. I've got to figure out what Roman numeral goes there. Every oxygen is -2, and there are 2 oxygens, which gives me 4 negative charges. What does the charge on lead have to be to make that work out to 0? 4. This is lead IV oxide. Number 7, also an ionic compound. Potassium is a metal, phosphorus is a non-metal. This stuff is potassium phosphide. All right, and then for our formulas here, we got sulfur dichloride. That's a molecular compound. There's only 1 sulfur because there's no prefix in front of it, and there's 2 chlorines, SCl2. Number 9, got magnesium phosphide. That's ionic, so magnesium is a 2+. Phosphorus is a -3, so when I drop and swap, I'm going to get Mg3P2. For cobalt-2 nitride, I've got CO, and it is, according to this Roman numeral, a 2+ charge. Nitride is a -3, so when I drop and swap, CO3N2. And then lastly, I've got sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na, and it's a +1. Carbonate is a polyatomic ion. CO3, its charge is -2. So when I drop and swap this, I'm going to get Na2CO3. Because I don't need any other number on CO3, it should not have brackets. All right, it's out of 11. Give them a mark out of 11, write it at the top where I can see it. Let them see it, and then I want it handed in right here.